Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sonu's Good Life, and today I will be giving you an in-depth unboxing review of the all-new MI box powered by Xiaomi. So this is actually launched in India a few months back and people have started to buy it. So I will be giving you an in-depth analysis comparison of the specifications of this MI box along with the Amazon Fire Stick and the Amazon Fire Stick 4K. So do not skip the video and watch the whole video so that you don't miss on any unboxing reviews and the comparisons. And also do not forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. So let's get started guys, enjoy the video. Hello friends, so this is the MI box 4K that I have purchased through Flipkart, and it's priced at around 3,500. So there are many offers that you can purchase through UPI and other bank credit cards, so you'll get additional offers on that. So I'll give you the link in the description section from where it was purchased. And so let's get started with this box. So this box, as you can see, is having with built-in Chromecast, and it's a 4K Google Assistant, and it's branded of Xiaomi, and it is having connect to internet option, HDMI port, and you can readily start streaming. So if we go to the back, this is the seal, and this will make any TV an Android TV, and it is coming with 4K HDR10, Google Assistant, 64-bit quad-core CPU, Chromecast built-in, and the other features in this section is the MI box, which is included inside it, one remote control, Bluetooth voice remote, HDMI cable, and a charger. So it is also having some apps that you can see: YouTube, Hotstar, Netflix, Prime, Z5 and other stuffs. And also you can purchase, and I think you will be able to download all the apps, like more than 5,000 apps and whatever it is there in the Android store, but you need to have some subscriptions for each apps. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let's cut the seal first. Wow, so this is the all new MI box that you can see. It's a very small, tiny piece of box, not at all big. So you can see it has one HDMI port, one audio jack, one USB jack, and one power cable jack. And also there are some specifications written on the back side, which is not that much important as of now, so I'm putting it aside. And inside the box we'll get this instruction manual, keeping that aside as well. Also we'll get, yes, this is the adapter power charger cable. So if you can see, it is input 100 to 240 volt, and if you can see, it is 50 to 60 hertz, 0.3 ampere, and this is about it. So the next is the HDMI to HDMI cable. So this is pretty much it, and a very sleek and beautiful this is the remote. It's quite fancy. It looks a bit, it's actually very light and smooth and very tiny piece of remote. It's actually very sturdy, and you can see it comes up with the Prime Video button, then Netflix button, the Google Assistant button, which you can use to control the Android TV with your voice, and the power button. There is this additional volume up and down button, back button, and options. So this is pretty much it, and I think you need to have batteries to get this operable. Well, I don't think they have provided any battery inside it, so you have to purchase batteries and start using it. So let's get started with the setup. So if I compare with the Mi Box 4K with Amazon Fire Stick HD and Amazon Fire Stick 4K, so it comes up, Mi Box comes with 2.0 GHz quad core, and the Amazon Fire Stick HD comes with 1.6 GHz quad core, whereas the Amazon Fire Stick 4K comes up with 1.7 GHz quad core. The internal storage, by the way, for all these three are 8 GB. USB port Mi Box is having, so you can connect a USB and enjoy movies, but in both Fire Stick HD and Fire Stick 4K we don't have the ports. The 3.5mm audio jack is there with Mi Box 4K, but it doesn't have in the Fire Stick HD and Fire Stick HD and 4K. So the video support is HDR in Mi Box 4K, but it is not supported in Fire Stick HD. But the Fire Stick 4K is having Dolby Vision HDR and HDR Plus. Audio support, Mi Box 4K supports Dolby Audio as well as the Fire Stick TV HD, but the Fire Stick 4K supports Dolby Atmos. The price, however, is 3,500 for the Mi 4K box, but the Amazon Fire Stick HD comes up with 3,999, but the Amazon TV Stick 4K comes at around 6,000. So I would suggest that if you have a vision for getting the Dolby Vision HDR or HDR Plus and Dolby Atmos, go for Amazon Fire Stick 4K. But I think in a much cheaper price you will get most of the other features in the Mi Box 4K, and I am really not having any doubt that you should now purchase the Fire Stick HD if you have these three in the market. So as per your convenience and pocket, you can choose any one of these three. However, Fire Stick HD is like, you can have it if you have a brand value for Amazon and you want to get some HD. Connected the Mi Box now, so you can see the first boot. There is the Android logo. So this is it, and now I will set up and show you the final screen. So this is it. As you can see, I have set up the Mi TV Box 4K with my TV. So this is how it is, and you'll get lots and lots of other apps like Hoichoi and other stuffs through Google Play. So easily you'll get a lot more apps other than the already installed apps. So hope you enjoy my video. Do like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you guys. Bye bye.